Hi friends, today we would be looking at replacement of the oil reservoir cap. This is NightRod 2014. For some reason this has been just a consistent issue. I don't know if it's the same for other bikes, but this is the third time I'm replacing it. I actually paid for this the first two times and got it replaced at a dealership. They end up even flushing the oil. First time it was in warranty, second time I kind of paid from my pocket. Now I thought I'll just DIY this time. It seems to be pretty straightforward. All you have to just do is take these two screws off. Make sure your bike is perfectly straight. Even then, you know, there's a little bit of inclination based on how the cylinder ergonomics are, and as you may see, the little bit of oil is spilling over. So don't jerk. These are some of the mistakes you don't want to repeat at your end. Looking at this, probably this will give you an intuition on what angle you should keep your bike on. With respect to replacement, just put the new cap in. If you see the oil is dirty, in this case as you may see the oil was not dirty, you're sort of good to go just with the cap replacement. And you can clean this up in case you kind of spilled oil. Just make sure that it's not too much of a spill and the level is right. So this is how the old one looks like. I don't know, it's the bad design with the gasket inside which is just causing this over and over again. Having said that, with respect to the part number, I just went to the dealership and they got me the replacement. I do not know if the part number is different with respect to the ear. This is a NightRod 2014 again. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. You just replace the cap, make sure that your oil levels are good. You can see it from the other side. I cannot put that in the camera because of the windscreen I have. Cannot get that view pretty clear, but you should be able to kind of pretty much check it at your end. So I hope this video has helped you, and if you have any questions, just post it on the chat. If you like the content, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.